Hey guys!
Welcome to our channel,
Journey with the Jacksons.
Alright, so thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are a resident watcher, thank you so much for tuning in and for supporting us. Alright. Oh, by the way guys, it's the first time we're filming since 2021.
No. Yeah.
So guess what? Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
And we pray that nothing but the best will be yours for this new year. So we said, you know what, where can we go and get some real good smoothies? And I think like smoothies now like a thing in Jamaica. Like Jamaicans like smoothie.
Yeah, it's like a healthy way of eating.
So yeah. So we decided that hey, why not come and check out BG Blendz here at
Yes.
So it's 36E Tradeway Plaza. It's right behind Big Bay Plaza, behind Portmore Central Plaza. It's next to Portmore Central Plaza.
Awesome.
Alright.
Yeah, proper directions.
Yeah, so we can't miss that. So guys, we're gonna be trying some of the smoothies that they have, because sandwiches and wraps, and they also have hot dogs. So for those of you who like a good hot dog, right, you can try it. And also they have a variety of smoothies with different add-ons. So I think a smoothie is here for everyone. Yeah. So come on out and try it.
Whatever is your preference.
Yeah.
You name it, we have it.
They have it. I want to lose my chin fat.
The detox.
The
The detox, which is the green goodness.
The green goodness.
Yeah.
Let me see what's in that.
Spirulina, pineapple, banana.
I think I'm gonna try that. Is that your favorite?
Yes, it is the good of the green juice.
Oh, nice. So I'm gonna try the green goodness.
When you're the man, yeah, you can get the slow and steady. The slow and steady, which has stout, peanut, well, works.
Yeah. The strong back.
Yes.
Alright. You can attest to it?
Yes.
So that is I can attest to it.
Alright, we'll try that one.
Yeah. Alright, so the pouring of the
Slow and steady.
slow and steady.
Trouble. Hello.
Alright, so this is if you want to believe like Ash.
This
If you want strong
to
back,
be
yeah.
strong, but strong back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's alright, just going that.
It's there. Alright, so let's go. No man.
It's nice.
Have a buzz.
Have a buzz, man.
Yeah, alright.
Go on with that thing.
So I'm tasting the spirulina. You can taste it. Come on, we can even smell it too. This one is the first time I'm drinking like green juice, and I like it. This is so good. This is smooth. It's refreshing. It's cool. The stomach feel icy.
I like it.
Love. Strong back, guys. It's a chicken. This is a tuna.
Okay guys, so which Which one is which one?
Let's take out man.
Alright, so this is a tuna.
It smells good.
It's warm.
Yeah.
Hot. Well, not warm, it's hot.
Hey, stop this. Alright, so this is the chicken. Guys, this is piping hot. I was thinking that it's not so hot to you, but
Okay. Alright, ready?
yeah, let's go. 1, 2.
Crispy. Crunchy.
Flavorful.
Cheese. Tastes good. It tastes good.
As well as the spice. Oh my
with the
gosh, man.
tomatoes, it's dripping.
It's hot. It's really hot. I'm gonna use the napkin to hold mine. Nice, want to bite?
I'll finish this first. So,
Alright, guys.
they didn't hold back on the meat.
Bite piece.
Very meaty.
Alright. This is mine. Nice. Hard.
Nice.
Good. That is very flavorful. I like the chicken. Wow, this is
Thumbs
good.
up.
BG Blendz.
Wow, it is.
And it's juicy.
Yeah, man, so you guys can come right here. Get what you want. There are other wraps available. Shana and I took the tuna and the chicken. Which other ones do they have there?
I think they're really nice. Customer service up. So I mean, if you're here and if you come here and you're a vegetarian, I'm sure they'll find something to suit you.
Yeah.
So just come here and be nice. And yeah, but customer service is good.
It's good.
I love this wrap. So guys, check out and support BG Blendz. They, as we said before, they're here in Portmore.
Yeah, at 36 East Trade Way.
And if it is that you're having a problem finding that, I mean, you just simply look at the Ada Manufacturing Building, and they're right across from there. Right across from there.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, guys, for sticking in and for sticking in. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking and staying with us and for supporting us
As all the time.
remember to make
Today an adventure.